free delivery or something?
Man! Back to the channel. I'm your boy, the Dashing Trader, and here we help you maximize using gig apps like DoorDash, Uber Eats, Instacart, and all the rest. And today we back again. We're gonna be confronting another no-tip customer. So in today's video, it's actually pretty interesting. We're gonna be picking up from Crumble Cookies. Now, I've had a suspicion for a long time that there are multiple merchants stealing tips. You can check out this video I did here a couple weeks ago, and I go over a couple merchants I know for sure are stealing tips. But Crumble Cookie is definitely on my list. So I don't think the customer is at fault on this one, but we're gonna go in here and we're gonna ask the manager if this order came through the merchant website or if it came through the DoorDash website.
Are you DoorDash?
Yeah, talk to the manager again. I got it, it's Glenda. Can you check if this one came through the Crumble Cookie website or the DoorDash website? Can you check that for me? Or something like that. I think she's doing it already. The DoorDash website? Thank you. Well, you heard it yourself right there. The nice lady inside said that order came through the DoorDash app. So this must have been a customer didn't tip, or they have access to the tips when they come through the DoorDash app, but I don't think that's the case. I think the merchants can alter the tip when they come through the merchant website, but when it come through DoorDash, I don't believe that the merchant can alter that tip. So we're gonna have to see what's going on, why they no tip, because Crumble Cookie costs a pretty penny, so they got some explaining to do. Yeah, see, Crumble Cookie ain't cheap, man. The people who buy this stuff, they don't be cheap. They wanted some cheap cookies, they done went to the gas station, you hear me? How you doing? No problem. Did you order this through the DoorDash app?
Yeah,
Yeah, I was trying to see because it was no tip on there.
It was at this moment.
Oh.
And I don't know if people know, but DoorDash drivers, we make 80% of our money on tips.
Oh my goodness. Okay.
Yeah, so it's no harm, no foul, but it's more just like for educational purposes. Because a lot of our customers don't know. So, for instance, this order, that's $2.50 for that order.
Okay.
You do about 3 orders in an hour on a good hour without, you know.
Yes.
So that's a $7.50 hour before gas.
Do you know what we did earlier today in our academic day? It was like first delivery was like free delivery or something.
Man!
And didn't consider it to be the same thing, but now
Yeah,
we know.
and I just try to help out with help the customers understand, because they think that we get like a minimum wage or like a base pay. Out here is, but we literally make $2 per delivery. And like I said, on a good hour we can do 3, because you got to realize I'm going there, I'm waiting, picking it up, then I'm coming to the school, going to the wrong side.
Oh my God, I had no idea.
No, I'm doing this for educational purposes. I knew I wasn't gonna make no money on their order, but I do it so that I can help the community out. Because it's gonna be another driver that gets a delivery for this place in the future, and maybe they get a tip.
Absolutely.
Because I'm pretty sure you guys gonna order
What
again.
is it?
No, it's all good though. But if you remember this for next time,
Okay, we're definitely gonna tip that.
yeah.
Every day we have
I didn't
to
know
learn.
that.
No, it's all good. And most people don't know. That's why I like to kind of help out, because I knew I wasn't gonna make no money. I'm good, but now the next driver who gets a delivery for here, maybe they'll get a good tip.
And then maybe it'll be you.
Hey, hopefully. Well, you guys have a good one. Thank you.